Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam Sajjad from CID News Network with my program Around the World in 60 Seconds. Pakistan records 10.16% positivity rate with over 5,000 new cases. As per the official data issued on Thursday by the National Command and Operations Center, 57,591 tests were conducted in the last 24 hours, from which 5,857 tests returned positive. Social media used to destroy peace in Pakistan. Federal Minister of Interior Sheikh Rashid Ahmad said on Wednesday that social media was the major weapon used in the past few days with an aim to destroy peace in Pakistan. Oman to suspend travel from Pakistan, India and Bangladesh. Oman will ban entry to arrivals from Pakistan, India and Bangladesh starting April 24 as part of measures to contain the COVID-19 pandemic. Much more work needed in Iran nuclear talks despite progress, European Union says. Iran and world powers have made headway in talks to save the 2015 nuclear accord, although much more work is needed, a senior European Union official said on Tuesday, with meetings to resume next week after consultations in their respective capitals. US Commission says religious freedom in India deteriorating further. A US Commission on Wednesday recommended for the second year in a row that India be placed on a blacklist for religious freedom, saying treatment of minorities had deteriorated further. UAE considering restrictions on residents without COVID-19 vaccine. The UAE may place movement restrictions on people who have not been vaccinated against COVID-19. 3 Saudi men held for peddling drugs on Snapchat during pandemic. 3 Saudi men were arrested after they alleged sold illegal drugs on the short video story sharing platform Snapchat over the course of COVID-19 pandemic. Millions face hunger as Myanmar crisis worsens, United Nations says. Food insecurity is rising sharply in Myanmar in the wake of the military coup and deepening financial crisis with millions more people expected to go hungry in coming months. UK to fully support Pakistan on Financial Action Task Force issue, British at sea. British High Commissioner has said his country will fully support Pakistan on the issue of Financial Action Task Force as Islamabad's performance on the implementation of FATF roadmap is marvelous. US to reposition forces in neighbors of Afghanistan after withdrawal. The US plans talks to reposition some of its forces in neighbors of Afghanistan after it withdraws from the country. Washington's military commander for the region, President Joe Biden, has pledged to remove the last American troops from Afghanistan. This is end of today's international news. Thank you for watching CID News Network, Islamabad.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.